Hello dear students, today we will explore some conditions caused by the changes in our DNA or the genetic material which is considered to be the blueprint of life. Let's first discuss about hemophilia. It affects the body's ability to clot blood. Shall we watch a video on hemophilia?
So, what is hemophilia? Hemophilia is a bleeding disorder, a problem with a person's blood that makes them bleed longer than a person without hemophilia. No one can catch hemophilia. It's an inherited condition you have from birth, for your whole life. It's just part of who you are, like the color of your hair or the shape of your nose. Here's how it works. Your blood travels through your body in tubes called arteries, veins, and capillaries. Normally, when there's a tear or hole in one of these, bleeding starts, and different parts of the blood go to work to plug the hole. Blood cells called platelets gather at the opening, and other blood parts called clotting factors help hold the platelets together to form a clot that stops the bleeding. When a person has hemophilia, he doesn't have enough of one of those clotting factors he needs to form a clot.
Have you understood about hemophilia? Let me reframe it. Hemophilia is a condition in which excess blood is lost even through minor wound due to a missing clotting protein. But it's a relief that we can inject this missing protein. They are also known as royal blood disease. This is because hemophilia gene was passed from the Queen Victoria, who became the Queen of England in 1837, to the ruling families of Russia, Spain and Germany. That is why it is known as royal disease, or that is why it is given the name as royal disease. There are social organizations that work for hemophilic patients who need special care and attention. These organizations volunteer to provide adequate care to the hemophilic patients and to inform their relatives and the public. Now let's learn about sickle cell anemia. Here, the defect is in genes that make hemoglobin, altering the shape of red blood cells. From the given illustration, try to understand the shape difference of RBC. Watch this quick animation to see the genetic change that causes this at the molecular level.
In people with sickle cell disease, their red blood cells become deformed, turning sickle-shaped. The bone marrow tries to make more red cells to make up for the loss, but can't keep up, causing anemia. Their new shape keeps them from moving properly through the body, and the misshapen cells can jam up and stick to the walls of the blood vessels. These clumps cut off oxygen to healthy tissue, delaying a child's normal growth and causing fatigue and extreme pain.
Children, did you see how changes in a single gene can affect the whole body? Shall we do an activity? Very good. You have learned about the impact of genetic defects. Now please note down your follow-up activity. Gather information on hemophilia and sickle cell anemia, including their symptoms, causes and treatment methods, and prepare a tabular column on the findings. Thank you, my dear children. I look forward to seeing you in the next class. Till then, bye.